gonna be making tamarind crab today. It's one of my favorite Vietnamese dishes. For some reason, it's not very well known, but we always make it for the holidays like Thanksgiving. It's very umami, savory, sweet and sour, and I can't wait to share this recipe with you guys. Outfit of the day, so I'm wearing this polka dot shirt from Zara, my Chanel wallet-on chain, time loafers from Hermes. So this is my jacket. It's from Sandro. I love the patterns on it, as you can see, and the gold buttons, but it's like a rustic gold. It ties the outfit together really well. Yeah. See you guys soon. So excited for this. I just picked up the food. We wanted to go to Rockin' Crawfish, but it was closed. So we decided to go to Alameda instead. And we ordered a ton of food and I can't wait to eat it all. See you guys. The tower building right over there. So change of plans. I think we're gonna be making bún chả with imperial rolls today instead of tamarind crab because we weren't able to get any crabs. Even though it's crab season right now, but we went to two different stores and they were all sold out. So we're gonna try something different. Look at our building. It's so pretty right there. Everyone, so it's lunchtime. We're finally home. We had to reheat everything since it took a while to get back home from the restaurant in Alameda. So let's dig in. Yeah, you can handle it. Okay. One, Sebastian. So originally we were gonna make tamarind crab, but we're gonna make bún chả today instead. So we're gonna start out with making the imperial rolls. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna prep the Whittier dried mushrooms, and we're going to put in some vermicelli bean thread noodles. I already boiled some water. In the meantime, we're going to prep the garlic, shallots, and carrots. So we're going to make the rest of the filling for the imperial rolls. So these are the noodles that we had prepared earlier, so we're going to add them in. 3 tablespoons of sugar. So rule of thumb is always twice as much sugar as salt. 1 of salt, and do just a little bit less salt for the second one, and lots of pepper. So we're going to mix the filling up, and then we're gonna get ready to make the imperial rolls. And of course, don't forget the ground pork. I have the hot water and the rice paper ready. And then also here, we have the filling. crispy and extra flavorful. I'm flattening the meat for the bungcha.
Where do you buy this meat?
You can get it from Weee! Or you can get it from Brush 99 or such any Asian store.
What's in it? Pork?
It's pork, natto seeds, garlic, onion shallots.
How long does it take to cook it?
About 10 minutes.
Looking good.
Yeah.
Cut it.
So we're going to marinate the pork belly.
Oh, this looks... Is it pork belly?
Yeah. So I seasoned it and fried it. It's going to be the topping for the bungcha. Last thing we need is to make the sauce. Fish sauce.
Yummy.
So we're gonna assemble the bungcha, okay?